Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's the second of the month, so that means it's time for a sheetload of cards. If you're new to my channel or new to SheetLoad, this is a printable that is put out by Alicia at Call Me Crafty Owl. You can get it monthly. She debuts the video with the printable on the first of every month. She tells you how to download it for yourself, and all you need to do is be a subscriber of her channel. On this printable, it'll tell you what month it is, the hashtags to use if you're going to share, the supplies needed, how many cards it'll yield, the dimensions, other ways to use it, a sketch that is true to size so you can place your card right there and see if like your image is going to fit or things like that. And then she also gives you a cutting guide that shows you exactly how to cut everything. Everything will be linked in the description box below so you can get your own printable and make your own sheetload of cards. Plus today on the 2nd of the month is when her collab team, which I am a part of, shares all of our creations using that month's sheetload of cards. There are some here on YouTube and also some on Instagram. Everything again is in that is in the description box below. To see all of the collaborators here on YouTube, there is a hashtag in my title. Just click on that and that'll take you to all the videos showing today's August 2022 sheetload of cards. So on to what I created this month, or what I used to create. Everything I used is Stampin' Up. Most of it is retired. I used Old Olive ink and Calypso Coral. I used a retired banner punch, at least I'm pretty sure it's retired. And then this Free as a Bird stamp set. And the matching paper that went with it was Bird Ballad Designer Series paper. As I was creating this month, I was like, this has a very familiar feel to me. I looked back and I have used these exact same supplies for another sheet load. So I guess this is my go-to sheet load paper and stamp set. So this month did create 12 cards. So here are my 12 cards that I created. I will show them individually here in a moment, but I did four each of three designs. Goodness. And I have to say, I really like how they turned out. I just really like. It's a really easy sketch. This would be a great sketch to build up your stash. Christmas cards, birthday cards. For me, I did some friendship cards, maybe thank you cards. Lots and lots of possibilities. Such a fun sheet load. So I'll hold them up individually. And it says, your friendship means the world to me. And then on the inside, I just stamped another image from that stamp set, and I put a little banner in there. And this one, they're all the same saying and everything. It's just the way that the papers worked out. I did 4 cards, 3 sets of 4 cards each. Goodness, math is hard today. You could also do it other ways. I know Alicia shared that she did like 2 of each, so definitely watch her videos, see how she did that. I'm sure she'll have some great tips. Go around and see what the other collaborators made, because I know that they have made some fantastic things. And as always, thank you for stopping by. If you like what you see, I would really appreciate a thumbs up and for you to subscribe to my channel and click that bell for notifications. Have an amazing day, and I hope it's a crafty one.